You're probably wondering how a games console can possibly be of use when helping fight disease. This was done through the Folding at Home project, which used the PS3 to great effect. In this video, we're going to look at what the Folding at Home project was, how the PS3 was involved, and how it worked. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps this small channel grow. So let's start with what the Folding at Home project is. Folding at Home is a distributed computing project that was initially launched by Stanford University in 2000. It aimed to harness the processing power of personal computers around the world to perform complex simulations of protein folding. Protein folding is the process by which a protein, which is a long strain of amino acids, takes its final 3D shape. This shape allows the protein to perform its specific function in the body. Imagine a long piece of string that needs to be folded into a specific shape to work properly. Protein folding is similar to that, but on a microscopic level. Correct folding is crucial for the protein's function, and if the protein folds incorrectly, it can lead to various diseases. In March 2007, Sony released an update for the PS3 enabling users to participate in the Folding at Home project. The PS3's CPU, called the Cell processor, was especially good for folding at home because it had a unique architecture with 8 specialized coprocessors. This design allowed it to perform many calculations simultaneously, making it highly efficient for the complex mathematical tasks involved in protein folding simulations. At its peak, PS3 consoles contributed over a petaflop of computing power, which was more than any other platform in the Folding at Home network. PS3 owners would download the Folding at Home application from the PlayStation Network, and once installed, the PS3 would use its idle processing power to perform protein folding simulations, so the extra processing power that wasn't needed when playing games or watching films would be used to run simulations by the Folding at Home app. You could even set it to use the PS3's processing power when the console was in standby mode. This is the animation you would see when opening the Folding at Home app. You can see the lights on the world map where other users were contributing their PS3 processing power, and the progress of the current simulation it was running for the researchers. The simulations run in the app were then sent back to the researchers, who would then use the data to better understand the complex world of protein folding. The simulations have played a crucial role in understanding and fighting diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, and many others through the publishing of papers and development of drugs. The Folding at Home project on PS3 officially ended in 2012 as support was removed by Sony. It showed how gaming technology could be used for the greater good. Today, distributed computing projects like Folding at Home continue to thrive, harnessing the power of modern computers and even GPUs to advance scientific research. I'll leave a link to the Folding at Home website if you'd like to have a further look in the description, and perhaps you'd even like to contribute your own idle processing power. Please do subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.